In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact report in Salesforce. Creating reports in Salesforce is a valuable skill that can give you insights into your contacts and their associated accounts. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First up, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce homepage. This is your main dashboard and the starting point for accessing various features and tools in Salesforce. From the home page, we're going to use the App Launcher. The App Launcher is like your central hub for navigating through Salesforce. It provides quick access to different apps, making your work more efficient. Next, let's click on the Reports tab. Reports are crucial for getting detailed information about various data within Salesforce. They allow you to slice and dice data to suit your specific needs. Now, once you're on the Reports page, look for the option to create a new report. Click on New Report to begin crafting your custom report. Now, you'll be prompted to select the type of report you want to create. For contact management, we're interested in contacts and accounts, so go ahead and choose that option. This step ensures that your report will focus on the relevant data you need regarding your contacts. With the report type selected, click Continue. This will bring you to the Report Builder. In the Report Builder, you'll see different options to filter and customize your report's data. Let's start by clicking on Filters. Applying filters helps narrow down data to show only the information that's relevant to your needs. Choose Created Date as a filter. This will help you refine the report to focus on contacts within a specific time frame. The page will help explain the options for customizing the data range, making adjustments to suit your analysis criteria. Next, look for the filter option labeled My Contacts. This allows us to restrict the report to only show contacts directly associated with your Salesforce account. Again, confirm your selection on the page, following any explanations provided to ensure you've correctly applied the filter. Then you'll want to include additional columns to the report outline. Simply click on Outline and then choose Columns. Customizing the columns is essential for presenting the data in a way that's most relevant to your analysis, allowing you more control over the visible data fields. Finally, it's time to complete the process by clicking the Save and Run button. This action saves the configuration of your report and runs it, displaying the data based on the filters and selections you've set. By following these steps, you have effectively created a contact report in Salesforce, which you can now use to gain valuable insights and make informed decisions. Remember, the key to effective reporting is understanding the filters and configuration options available to you, so feel free to experiment with different settings as you become more comfortable.